Now let's discuss some of the different sounds you may hear as part of normal operation. A low humming occurs when cooking at high power and is normal for induction cooking. This is caused by the amount of energy that is transmitted from the appliance to the cookware, and the sound will quiet or go away when the power is turned down. A crackling sound can occur when cookware of different materials is used. This noise is caused by vibrations in between the different layers and can also vary depending on the amount and type of food being cooked. Cookware can also make a variety of sounds when residual moisture or condensation gets trapped within the pan or on the bottom and boils off while in contact with a flat cooktop. The electronics of an induction cooktop require a controlled temperature in order to function reliably, which is independent of the temperature setting of the elements themselves. To control the temperature of the electronics, the cooktop is fitted with a fan that runs at various speeds according to the temperature detected. The fan may also continue to run even after the cooktop has been switched off if the temperature detected is too high.